Hey angels, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an everyday look using products from the drugstore. I typically use drugstore products, but I decided to try a few new ones, which you will see. I also had a little eyeshadow moment, which you will also see. I'm giving myself an A for effort. Anyway, let's get into it. Coming in strong is a mini e.l.f. Power Grip Primer for $5, and you just want to drop that just to make sure the ingredients are activated. Next, we have one of my faves, the e.l.f. Brow Lift for $6. This Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil is a newer product, and watch it do a whole bunch of nothing. I honestly think it was because of my e.l.f. brow lift that it wasn't working, because I feel like, you know, on like a drier surface it would work, but it was barely doing anything. Now I'm going in with some e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and that was $7. Another one of my faves, e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter for $14. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation for $7.49 has to be my favorite drugstore foundation ever. And again, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which is $7. And I set my camo concealer with the Milani Make It Last setting powder for $9.99. And now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand, which is $9. So I tried the e.l.f. Halo Glow Blush Wand for $9, and I'm just gonna stick to what I know next time. So like the blush kind of did blend and then it kind of didn't. Wherever I put the dots is where like it's set, and then you know the rest blended out fine. Like I'll show you. And I don't know if you could see that line, but that's where it like sat and like didn't blend. So 0 out of 10 in my book. And again, it just sat there and I didn't like that. Now for powder contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Contour Palette, which is $6.99. Y'all, and I was sitting there for a minute trying to figure out why does my contour look so weird? Like, why won't it blend? Bro, it's peach fuzz on my face. And this is why we dermaplane. Look at that, straight peach fuzz. It took me a minute to figure it out. Now I go in with my powdered Milani Rose Blush, and that's $8.99. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder, and that is $7.99. And this is literally the cheapest thing I bought. It is the Wet n Wild eyeliner, which is 99 cents. This is a new fave of mine, so it's a Physicians Formula Diamond Dust Mini, which is $6.99. The bigger one is $12 and I'm not buying it. Anyway, it's so pretty, look. So this is the little eyeshadow moment that I was talking about earlier. I took some of my like contour or whatever and then I put that on my eyelid. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but I want to start playing around in it. So like A for effort, right? So this Makeup Revolution Super Fix Misting Spray was $15 and was not trying to open. I like it though, it's a new fave of mine. Now I'm going in with my Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara for $4.99. And I didn't realize I was messing with the camera's focus until the very end. So my apologies. Okay, so for the lippies, so the lip liner is $3.99. And then the butter gloss is $4.99. Today I'm using a lava cake and a bit of honey. And you guys know I had to hit y'all with a close-up. Look at that. You know, it's not about the product, it's about the technique. So I included the prices, and I would be wrong if I didn't include a total. So the total for today's drugstore glam is $151.67. I don't know if I said this before, but I got all my products from Target, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!